Hi, good morning everyone. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to drink your 2000 mg of vitamin C. It's ATOMY. This is stronger than the ordinary vitamin C that we have from ATOMY. I'm having a hard time taking it directly because it's strong and it's more sour than the regular one. So what I did or what I do is I mix it in a jug of water. So I'm using my husband's jug of water. So my husband can consume it in a day. So what we do is we mix this 2000 mg of vitamin C in this jug of water. I think this is around 3 liters or 4 liters. I'm not sure, but this is much. So mix it like this. This ATOMY vitamin C is water soluble, so when you mix it with water, it will not by itself. It's different from the other vitamin C that we can buy at the drugstore because some of the content of it has extenders that does not dissolve in water. So this one, it's pure and it can easily dissolve in the water. The taste is too strong, so we discovered or we found another way of taking it. So we mix it with water. And what else? Actually, 2000 mg vitamin C is recommended for those who want to have a better skin, or if you want to boost your immune system, or if you want to get rid of your flu or of your COVID, like that. So it's actually recommended by doctors if you are sick to take a 2000 mg of vitamin C. But also, if you have other health problems, you have to consult your doctor before taking a 2000 mg of vitamin C because it's higher. It's in higher dose, right? But we had a Korean salon and Korean beauty shop before. Some of the people are actually availing a 6000 mg of vitamin C, like vitamin C drip, to achieve a better quality of skin. But in ATOMY, they just had this product launched in the Korea website, and we had the privilege to get this and try it and have it in our country. But it's not yet distributed by ATOMY Philippines because we have already here the ATOMY vitamin C, but it's in lower milligrams. And of course, many of us we want to have a better health because of the Omicron and the other variants of virus coming in. But yeah, if you want to boost your immune system naturally, you can contact me or you can comment down below. I will let you try this product in the Philippines. If you are in the other country, I can also assist you if you want to avail this. But in Malaysia website, they have already this improved version or higher dose of vitamin C, but only in 1000 milligrams. So I actually tried this already for I think 2 weeks now, and I can see that my skin gets softer, and that's the visible result that I can feel. My immune system also becomes stronger. That's for sure because our body does not manufacture vitamin C, right? We really have to take the vitamin C from the food that we take. But of course, when we cook the vegetables and the fruits, the vitamin C evaporates. So it's better to have a vitamin C that you will take every day from supplements. And I recommend ATOMY vitamin C because their quality, the quality of their products they're making is really high, and also the technology they use is what we call cutting edge technologies, and they use natural products. They don't use the synthetic kind of ingredients, and also they have their own research and development. They in Korea, we call it Korea Atomic Energy Research and Institute. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from me today, and let's try it. Yeah. See, it's already melted. That's very amazing. Let's try. Taste better. It's like you're drinking a sparkling water or a water with a lemon. Usually you slice a lemon, right? If you want to detox, you usually put that in a jug of water. So rest assured that you're getting enough of vitamin C that your body needs daily. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from me today. And please don't forget to like this video and to share this video and to subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye.